Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm here with Buddy. I just set up the camera somewhere a few weeks ago, and I wanted to see what Buddy was doing, how he talked when I was gone. So I left and just put the camera there, and it's actually pretty cool. He just got really sleepy, and he was talking. What are you trying to do? Okay, I'll just put him there. There. I got him a nice little... Anyway. I'll show you guys that when I'm gonna make an actual video about the house. So comment down below if you want to see the way that our house is, the way it is built, because yeah, that would be pretty cool. 50 likes and I will upload a video of the house and everything in it. So just enjoy the little video of just my bird just talking. He thinks it's another bird. Anyway, back to the video. So I'm walking beside the house, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick sneak peek. Boom, that's it. That's all you guys are getting. So if you guys really like that video, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe. Feel free to comment whatever you want to. It's a free world. So if you guys want to see a house tour, like it up. If we get to 50, I'll do it. If we don't, then I won't do it. So yeah, like it up. Yeah, peace.